Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions. Guys, today I'm going to be, walking you through the steps on how to create your Doordash account in Canada so you can start earning by, delivering food. So it's a very, very straightforward process. And first things first, guys, what I want you to do is I want you to open your browser and go to dasher.doordash.com. Don't go to the normal DoorDash website. You want to go to the dasher.doordash.com website, okay? And here, what's going to happen is you're going to land into the sign up page. So you're going to start by entering your email address, create a password and fill in, some basic personal information like your name and phone number. And then what's going to be happening, guys, is they're going to be asking you to confirm your location, okay? Now, since you're in Canada, DoorDash will actually automatically guide you to the Canadian registration process. You want to make sure the city or area you plan to deliver in as is actually correct. And next, guys, you need to provide, some additional details to complete your account setup. So DoorDash will ask you for things like, your driving information, including your driver's license number if you plan to deliver by car, and your vehicle type, or if you'll deliver by bike or scooter, and a background check as well, guys. This is a very standard step to basically ensure safety and security for both the dashers and the customers. So you want to be ready to upload a copy of your ID or just provide consent for a background check. So once the background check, guys, is actually in progress, you will be moving on to setting up your payment information, okay? So DoorDash will basically ask you for your payment details, your bank account details to ensure that you actually get paid directly. And after that, guys, you want to be watching, a short orientation video, which will be provided by DoorDash. This basically gives you an overview of how the platform works and what to expect while dashing. And then finally, guys, you are in the last step. Basically, this is the approval process. So you want to wait for DoorDash to process your application, and you'll receive an email once your account is actually approved. And once you're ready to go, guys, you want to download the Dasher app, log in, and just start delivering, guys. And that's how you create your DoorDash account in Canada, guys, to start dashing. I hope you found this helpful, guys. Hit that like button, and guys, subscribe to frequently asked questions so you get notified of the next video so I can see you guys in the next